Welcome to my presentation. Presentation on accounting adjustment and financial prepared by Joyan Kumar Das, ID 0103103486, Program BBA Batch 34B, Department of Business Administration, EBIS University. Introduction. Jamuna Bank Limited is a banking company registered under the Company Act 1994. Introduction. Jamuna Bank Limited is a banking company registered under the Company Act 1994. Its head office at Chini Shilpa Bhavan 3 Dilkosha, Dhaka 1000. The bank started its operation from 3rd June 2001. Objective of the study: to fulfill the partial requirement of the internship program as a 6-credit subject of the BBA program, to know the accounting adjustment and financial performance of the bank, to analyze the overall performance of respective methodology of study. To do this report, the data has been collected from various sources. I have collected necessary information from two sources as follows: one, primary data collection; two, secondary data collection. An overview of Division of Jamuna Bank Limited: Human Resource Division, International Division, Credit Division, IT Division, Research and Development Division, Audit and Compliance Division, Training Division, Foreign Exchange Trade Division, Loan and Advance Division. Interest rate. Jamuna Bank provides the following rates of interest in various types of account. Name of account: interest rate in percentage per annum. Fixed deposit by 8.5%, saving account 5.00%, short-term deposit 4.00%, current deposit 0.00%. Then a FDR account is opened and it is recorded in the FDR register, which contains the following information: FDR SC name, FDR fixed deposit receipt name of the FDR holder with address, maturity period, maturity date, interest rate. The FDR becomes renewed automatically in JBL if the customer does not encase it within 7 days of maturity. In case of encashment of FDR in maturity, following account treatment are given: excise duty on FDR debit, income tax on interest debit, FDR assist debit, cash assist credit, interest on FDR assist credit. If the customer wants to draw with the interest, only then flowing entries are given. Interest on FDR assist debit, cash assist credit. Then a FDR account is opened and it is recorded in the FDR register which contains the following information: FDR SE known, FDR fixed deposit receipt known, name of the FDR holder with address, maturity period, maturity date, interest rate. The FDR becomes renewed automatically in JBL if the customer does not encash it within 7 days of maturity. In case of encashment of FDR in maturity, following account treatment are given: excise duty on FDR debit, income tax on interest debit, FDR short steps. On online banking system, 95 numbers of branches, satisfactory capital base, explained in opportunities. Opportunities. Big market through branches, market capture through branches, findings. The deposit rate has decreased 1.2% in 2012 than 2011. We see that in 2011, 2012 and percentage sales of deposit collection is upward. JBL uses Flora Bank online software to record day-to-day transactions. Here using portion of it is about 80%. Net income and deposit are increasing year by year. Recommendation: Jamuna Bank Limited should increase their growth rate of total deposit. Charges should be reduced by JBL. JBL should expand its network inside and outside Dhaka to Chittagong to provide better service. JBL should upgrade the online banking service to attract customers and to be visible among the competitors. JBL should strengthen in promotional activity. Jamuna Bank charges different amount of commission on the basis of payment order amount. Total amount of payment order. Commission VAT up to 10,000. Commission taka 15, VAT taka 3. 10,001 from 1 lakh. Commission taka 25, VAT taka 4. Thank you for any question.